Carey Buck here. So you guys are gonna go on an adventure with me today. And before I get into that, let me just say, my name is Carey Buck, and I'm an independent ATM owner since 2009. Sorry, I'm trying to open my car. So independent ATM owner since 2009, ATM business mentor since 2011, and that's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow their own profitable ATM business. I got an empty cassette with me right now. And you know, reasons why people would want to start an ATM business, a bunch of reasons. It's like individual preference. You know, some folks, they want to get out of their 9 to 5. Some folks want to better prepare for retirement. Some folks just want their money to start working for them instead of them always working for their money. There's some folks that I have as students who they're already investing in something, let's say real estate, and they're tired of putting out big money to make a return. So they like to put out smaller amounts of money to make a decent return, right? So there's a different reason why people get involved in the ATM business, and that's completely personal. Why people come to me to help them start their own ATM business is basically I'll save you time, money, and headaches, okay? If you'd like to get more information on how I can help you and just more info on the ATM business, you can go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Okay, so now our adventure that we're going to go on together today. So we have 2 ATMs, strip clubs. One of those strip clubs closed down because they're moving. They're opening up a brand new strip club somewhere else. That strip club is where I'm going today. It's really far away. It's about 4 hours from where we're at the beach now, Rehoboth Beach. It's about 4 hours from me. And it's totally fine, totally cool. But our goal is to fill this machine with a whole lot more money than we normally would fill a strip club machine with. You know, so basically we want to fill it once a month, right? So I got my handy dandy little bag down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I only have 12 grand with me, and I need to fill this strip club up, and I don't have enough money, so I want to put more money in it than that. And not only that, after I fill the strip club up, I have to go to a bar and fill that. So I don't have enough money to do all of that right now, so it would take me way too long to go to my normal bank to get money. So I found another bank, probably like 3 hours away, that had the cash and they're willing to help me. And, you know, it's along the way to where I'm going to the strip club, you know. So I found this bank that has cash that is going to help me. So that's where our adventure is going to start right here in my garage in Rehoboth Beach. And then we're going to go to this, don't worry, I'm not going to drive while I have this on. I'm just going back out of the garage. I listen to Hair Nation. I don't know if you can hear, that was a rat that was on. So we're going to start here in Rehoboth Beach in my garage. And then we're going to drive about, I think it's like 3 hours to this bank that I'm going to. And then I think where I'm going, my ultimate destination, is about an hour from the bank. Yeah, it's about an hour from the bank. So all in all, this is going to be like a full day, like the entire day, right? 8 hours just filling this one machine. Again, that's not typical. That's not typically what I recommend folks do, right? I typically recommend that students have ATMs located, you know, near your home, near where you work, near where you take your kids to daycare if you have kids, you know what I'm saying? So it's like convenient for you and you're not traveling a great distance. But of course, you know, you can make more money if you expand out. It's just, you know, you can handle that in different ways. Get people to fill it for you, get the business owner to fill it for you, or, you know, put more money in it and fill it once a month. That's the goal. We're going to fill this machine once a month instead of once a week, what we used to do before the club closed down. All right, so this is a month machine. So I know every month, one day, it's going to take me about 8 hours just to fill this machine. And it's got a $9 surcharge. And fairly confident it's going to do really well. So it'll be worth that 8 hours, you know, once a month to do, you know. But then the thing that's going to really make this an adventure for me today is having to go fill this other bar afterwards. So I'm going to be out all day. It's about 12:06. So periodically I'll check in with you. Got the cassette. Got receipt paper. And I have an extra cassette in the back. You always want to make sure you're prepared, like in case, especially when it's really far away. Like this is 8-hour round trip, right? So if this cassette don't work, I don't want to have to come 4 hours and another 4 hours to get a new cassette. So I take 2 with me to be prepared, right? Just in case. And if you're wondering, well, where's the ATM? Well, again, we had the ATM in this strip club. So we went down, it's like 2-3 weeks ago, unbolted it, took the money out, the cassette out, receipt paper out, and the strip club owners actually moved the ATM to the new location, right? So I'm just basically going to fill it up, and then we'll bolt it down. That's it. So I got everything I need, extension cord just in case, and I'll check in, you know, periodically, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, again, if you want some help, want to learn more about the ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. First stop, it's like 1:45, my first stop. I gotta get gas, I gotta fill the tank up, and you know how my bladder is. But I'll tell you what, you know where I'm at? I'm at Rural Farms. Now, you guys know I'm a big Wawa fan, right? But Rural Farms has this, the ROFO card, you know, that if you use that, I'm in Milford, by the way, Milford, Delaware. If you use your ROFO card while getting gas, you get an extra 10 cents off, right? Pretty cool. So whenever you're driving, you're on the road, like with ATMs, and when you're in the ATM business, you're gonna do a lot of driving. Save as much on gas as you can, man. You know. I know you're probably thinking, Carey, it's almost 1 o'clock. Like, why did you wait so long to get started today? And it's a valid question. And quite honestly, I wanted to get started earlier today because I knew I had a long day ahead of me. But we're getting a pool, and we had a fence guy come, and Kathy wanted me to meet with him too. So kind of hit it off with him, and the chit chat went a little bit long, so hence the delayed start. But if I get some gas here, be on my way. I think I'm about 2.5 hours from the bank that I need to go to, and then halfway there. I guess I'll be halfway done my day at that point, right? Alright guys, so it's 4:45. I just got here at the bank. This bank helped me out. They gave me more money than I needed, so I didn't have to withdraw more money from the ATM. Now I'm gonna head to the strip club. First I'm gonna try to find me someplace to go to the bathroom and get some water or something to drink. This has been an adventure. It's taken longer than anticipated because I forgot something. And I needed Kathy to bring it to me way back home, so I had a little later start than I wanted. Y'all know how I roll. I'm at Wawa now. I'm hungry. I don't even know what time it is, and I gotta pee. I know TMI for you guys. TMI for you guys. Thank you, sir. But I'll be back. I finally got here. It's 6:15. I was gonna bring you into the club with me, but I forgot. They are doing what do they call it? Auditions. So I can't bring you in with me. But 6:15, getting ready, set this machine up, put some cash in it, and then probably talk a little bit and say hi a little bit. I haven't seen the husband owner in forever. I've seen the wife, but probably catch up and whatnot, and then head back home. I'll be back. Alright, it's about 8:23 exactly, and I'm about ready to go home. ATM's all set up. They ran a cable for me for the internet, but it did not work. So I had to use my handy dandy little thing that I brought, and it worked like a charm. And then that didn't take that long. I was just shooting the shit with them because, like I said, I haven't seen the one owner forever. And one of the guys I haven't seen forever, so I've just been here hanging out. But now I'm on my way home. It'll take me my ETA 12:15 a.m. It'll take 3 hours and 52 minutes. Probably take longer because y'all know I got to stop at Wawa. Talk to you guys soon. Remember, if you would like to learn how to make consistent monthly passive income from ATMs and big chunks of cash in small time frames from ATMs, go to atmtrainingvideo.com, atmtrainingvideo.com. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. So, it's me again. I had to come back to the club. It's 9:40 p.m. I had to come back to the club. I totally got distracted when I was trying to hook up the machine. I got distracted and forgot that I needed to print out some paperwork from the machine because somebody disputed a transaction back in October. So they closed one strip club and they're opening this new one. It's the same machine that was at the old club. When it was at the old club, somebody took out $120 in October, and now they're disputing it, say they didn't get the money or whatever the bullshit is. So there's certain things you need to do to, fight the dispute. And so when I was here the first time, I totally forgot to print that stuff out. So I had to come back 30 minutes. I was already going 30 minutes, so I had to come back 30 minutes, drive back, print it out. Now it's 9:40. Now I'm officially getting ready to finally go home. I'm not filling that bar tonight. I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's too damn late and I just want to go home. 9:40, I'll be home about 3 a.m. because I'm going to stop, go to the bathroom, get something to drink, eat, what have you. Long night tonight. This is not normally how it's supposed to go, but just get the first one under the belt with it being so far away, and then hopefully it'll be a breeze from here on out. I'm just pissed at myself that I totally forgot to do this the last time I was here. Just 30 minutes ago or whatever it was. Alright, again, if you want to learn about the ATM business, how you can make consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Alright guys, I had to stop. Wawa, I put a hat on. And I know you might be wondering about this dispute. And you might think that a lot of times people dispute, they'll take money out of the machine, but then they'll file a claim, say they didn't get it, and you got to fight it. You might think that it happens a lot. It actually does not happen a lot. It's pretty rare that it happens, but as long as you know how to dispute it, if it's legit, they'll win, or you'll fix it yourself. If it's not legit and they're, full of shit, you'll know that, right? You'll know that, and then they'll lose the dispute, and you'll win it, right? So that's kind of how it works. You just need to, bless you. You just need to make sure you have all your ducks in a row and know how to fight the dispute. So that's why I had to go back there, and I figured that I would, throw that in there real quick about, you might think that disputes happen a lot. They really don't, right? And again, if you want some more information about ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. ATMtrainingvideo.
At the light.
All right, can you see the time right there? 1:51. That's what time I'm getting home. All right, so number one, aren't you happy that this video didn't take as long as my actual day took? But yeah, I'm finally home. So I just wanted to let you know that what time my day started. Now my day's ending at 1:51. Here's the deal. Let me open my garage. Here's the deal. If you want to learn about the ATM business, remember, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. I'll promise you something. You're not gonna be spending, what is this? This has been 12 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours. You're not gonna spend 15-hour days like this. You're not, okay? This just happened to be something that happened because one of my business owners decided to sell or closes down his business and open it somewhere completely different. You know what I mean? That's that's not normally going to happen, right? You're not going to have a day like this, I promise. I mean, you might have like an 8-hour day because you're filling like 10 or 15 machines, right? But you're not going to probably have a day where you just got to fill one machine, and that's, you know, what takes you all day. So I'll promise you that. But number two, what I can promise you is if you get involved in the ATM business, you're going to make consistent monthly passive income, and you can make big chunks of cash in small time frames if you get involved in mobile. All right. If you want more information, or if you would like me to help you start your ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. And there we go. We're leaving it at that. 1:53 a.m. I'm about ready to go to bed, guys. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.